Welcome to the Reality Expressor, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in home cleaning technology. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best stick vacuums of 2024, showcasing the most powerful, versatile, and high-tech models designed to make cleaning your home faster and easier than ever before. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hard-to-reach spaces, or a mix of carpets and hardwood floors, stick vacuums have become a game-changer for everyday convenience. We'll be breaking down each vacuum's standout features, pros and cons, and why they made our top picks for this year. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, make sure to stick around for our full breakdown. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our future gadget reviews and cleaning hacks. Let's get started. Number 5. Tineco Pure One Station 5. The Tineco Pure One Station 5 impresses with its smart design and exceptional convenience features. 2-in-1 crevice brush, particularly the self-cleaning and dust-emptying station, which reduces the need for manual maintenance. Its 175W motor offers robust cleaning, easily trackless large debris with the iLoop smart sensor automatically adjusting suction power based on the dirt detected. This, paired with the zero-tangle brush, makes it highly effective on various surfaces and practical for pet owners. The 3-liter dust bin in the docking station allows for long intervals between cleanings, and the lightweight vacuum is easy to maneuver, though it struggles a bit under low furniture despite its strengths. Full-path self-cleaning. The Tineco Pure One Station 5 comes with a high price tag, and its design could be more flexible for tight spaces. The app integration offers some extras, like filter monitoring and cleaning reports, but these features may feel superfluous for casual users. Overall, it's a high-performing, low-maintenance vacuum, ideal for tech-savvy households willing to invest in premium cleaning. Number 4. Dyson V15 Detect Submarine. Dyson V15 Detect Submarine is a game-changer in the world of cordless vacuums, offering impressive power, precision, and innovation. Equipped with the brand's most advanced laser illumination, it reveals hidden dust on hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, while the inclusion of a unique submarine mop attachment elevates cleaning by scrubbing and mopping simultaneously. With a powerful suction capability that adapts to different floor types, from carpets to hardwood, the V15 Detect Submarine delivers consistent, deep cleaning with ease. The extended battery life and easy-to-empty dustbin add convenience, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a high-performance, all-in-one cleaning solution. Number 3. Tineco Pure One Station Fur-Free. The Tineco Pure One Station Fur-Free is a top-tier cordless vacuum that excels in both performance and convenience, particularly for pet owners. One of its standout features is the self-cleaning fur-free brush roll, which effectively removes tangled pet hair while you vacuum, minimizing maintenance and saving time. Its smart iLoop sensor technology adjusts suction power based on the level of dirt detected, ensuring optimal cleaning efficiency on all surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. The powerful suction easily picks up debris, dust, and pet hair, while the lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The vacuum's stylish charging and storage station not only keeps the device neatly stored, but also automatically cleans the brush roll, further enhancing the user experience. With a long battery life and quiet operation, the Tineco Pure One Station Fur-Free combines cutting-edge features with thoughtful design, making it a highly effective, low-maintenance solution for keeping homes clean, especially for those with pets. Number 2. Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty System. The Shark Cordless Power Detect Clean and Empty System impresses with its smart blend of convenience and cleaning power. Designed with advanced power detect technology, the vacuum automatically adjusts suction based on floor type, ensuring optimal performance across carpets and hard floors. This feature, paired with its lightweight and cordless design, makes it a breeze to maneuver, especially in tight spaces and over various surfaces. The runtime is competitive, and the powerful suction picks up everything from fine dust to larger debris. The self-emptying feature adds to its appeal, minimizing the hassle of dustbin maintenance and reducing exposure to allergens, a thoughtful touch for allergy sufferers. However, while the self-emptying bin is convenient, it can be somewhat noisy during operation, which might be a minor drawback for those sensitive to sound. Additionally, the runtime, although decent, may not be quite enough for deep cleaning larger homes on a single charge, requiring some strategic planning. Nevertheless, for its innovative features and practical design, the Shark Cordless Power Detect delivers an effective and largely hassle-free cleaning experience, making it a strong contender for modern households. Number 1. Shark Stratos Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Shark Stratos Cordless Stick Vacuum stands out as a high-performing, versatile cleaning tool perfect for both hard floors and carpets. Equipped with dual brush rolls and Clean Sense IQ technology, it intelligently adjusts suction power based on detected dirt levels, ensuring efficient cleaning while preserving battery life. The multi-flex wand makes accessing tight spaces, such as under furniture, effortless, and the LED headlights illuminate hidden dust, making cleaning even more thorough. The vacuum's anti-hair wrap feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners, effectively managing hair without clogging. While it excels on hard surfaces, picking up debris in a single pass, it offers decent performance on carpets. The ergonomic design, up 60 minutes runtime combined with a relatively lightweight build, makes it user-friendly, though it may not be as powerful as corded models for deep cleaning. The compact folding design also simplifies storage. However, battery life in boost mode is limited, and frequent use of higher settings may require frequent recharges. Overall, it's a strong contender in the cordless vacuum category, delivering flexibility and advanced features at a premium price point. Thanks for tuning into this review on the Reality Expressor. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Shark Stratos Cordless Stick Vacuum, or if there are other products you'd like me to test out. Your feedback and suggestions are always appreciated. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your space clean and your reality expressed.